Okay, we're doing the new patient calling in for a phone call to get a appointment time.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Hit ring. Cook Chiropractic, this is Annie.
Can I get a new patient appointment?
Yes, absolutely. You have not been here before, correct?
Right.
Okay, what is your first name, please?
Lona Cook.
Lona.
Yep.
Okay, and then Cook.
You got it.
All right, your date of birth, Lona?
3/30/84.
Okay, and a telephone number where I can reach you.
715-111-1111.
Okay, great. Sounds good. And is this for you or your whole family?
Just for me.
Okay, sounds good. We do have openings today. Were you thinking this morning or this afternoon?
Probably this afternoon.
Okay, I've got a 3 o'clock or a 5 o'clock. Do either of those work for you?
5 o'clock will work.
Perfect. I will see you at 5 o'clock. We'll just be a little bit of paperwork and we'll be set to go.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thanks, Lona.
Okay,
Bye.
Annie rocked because she gave her always 2 options instead of open-ended questions. So example is like, would 3 o'clock or 5 o'clock work better is better than saying what time works for you, because then people are like, and it's just, you never get anywhere. So that was perfect.